important information to talk about today. We got many airdrops to go and check the allocation because some of them are out and you're ready to get your allocation. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the trading situation. Now, as you see here, I always say that is, you shouldn't listen to my trade, and this is why. Now, I'm no master at trade. I don't predict the future. Last trade I did, by the way, come and join with me over on ZoomX. I will leave you the link down below. You get $30 for free at the first deposit that you do on the platform. So make sure to trade with me over on ZoomX. It's a no KYC exchange. So come and trade with me. The link will be down below, and you get, as we said, $30 for the welcome bonus. So when it comes to the trade, let me know what I should do in the comments. Should I close them? Should I keep them open? Do you think it's gonna go short? Do you think it's gonna go down? Or what is the situation for you? I have opened a short right here, and this was 20 minutes before Trump made the tweet saying that the conflict and all of that was over. So very bad timing for me. But do you think that we're gonna go to new highs? Do you think that there is no reason for me to be bullish or for me to be bearish in this situation? So let me know your thoughts down below, but I will close at a loss for this trade, and this is the reality of trading. Some you win, some you lose, and I will be going and longing, as we see here on a 10x. I will be longing Bitcoin again, because why? I don't think there is any need to be bearish, considering the situation of how the meeting went and how the situation went. So I will go long a little bit bigger markets and a little bit bigger margin on Ethereum. I do think it's about time that it pops. We did about, as we see here, these two positions, one on Ethereum, one on Bitcoin. I don't think we should be bearish anymore because the situation is much better. But let me know your thoughts down below. And if you do open a trade, let me know what your trade is. Did you open a long or did you open a short? Make sure to do it on ZoomX, so it is the best exchange out there. Next up, we do have all of these airdrops to talk about. So the first one to go and check your eligibility is the Sahara token. Now, as you see here, I got 4.8 tokens. But guess what? Eligible token here, it says 0 for some reason. The airdrop starts in 1 day and 3 hours, and all of my Sahara token are locked until 2026. I don't know why, but they are overlocked. So let me know your allocation, how much you received, and whether or not you are also locked allocation or not locked allocation. Let me know your total down below, and what is the situation with you. We then have the Newton airdrop, which we have over here. I got 141 Newton token. I click on continue. I can go and send them. There is a $1 network fee over to the Ethereum minute. You just need to have a little bit of gas, which I do not have on my wallet right now, but you can simply click to add and then send it right here. If you want to send it, thank you very much, but otherwise don't worry, I will send them for myself. But I did receive 147 tokens. So let's go and see how much those are, and if you do know the exact metric, let me know down in comments below. Next up, we do have the Humanity protocol. Now this one you can go and check. You can go and see if you are eligible for the airdrops. I have a total of 1,100 HP token between referrals, as we see over here, and the daily rewards, which I claim on a daily. But it does say, if I go to check the status, I am not eligible for any airdrops allocation, which I don't know why, but it does say that. So I don't really know where I can go and claim it, or if you do have any in regards to it. It does come here, there is no allocation found, so I think I just need to wait for this one. You can go and check your allocation. You can download the app to verify your Humanity to get a little bit more allocation, I do believe. But yeah, go and check your allocation and let me know in total down below. We then have the Yap airdrop over here for the Kaito. If you are part of the yapping, simply go and sign in case with as you know, with Twitter and all of that, and you can go and check some of the airdrop allocation for yappers. Simply go do your login authentication, go over here, authorize the app, super easy. Once you're signed in, it's gonna verify, successfully connect with your Twitter profile, and then from here you're able to go and check your total allocation for the airdrop. Once you are right here, make sure to go to the airdrops and check which one you are eligible for the airdrop that you are. As you see, I don't use Kaito. I think it's probably one of the worst red flags and cancer situation on the crypto space, because everybody that just post about something get rewarded, they all dump. Check all of the Kaito Yapper protocols, Binance Alpha users that receive the reward, they all dump to zero. And I'm super happy that, as we see over here, if you go to my profile, I did tweet about it today, the Eclipse Foundation, which I do support a lot the Eclipse airdrop and I am working hard for it. There will be no Kaito Binance Alpha community allocation, which is absolutely adorable. Love to see it. Thank you, Eclipse. These people on Kaito, they do nothing if not just post some Twitter, copy from each other, get their groups together, and all of that to get rewarded. I think this is just every protocol should get out of Kaito and just reward real users, liquidity provider users, maybe Discord, people that actually talk about it, yes, but not the way that Kaito does. This is just the biggest red flag for any project that rewards Kaito yappers. It's worthless in my opinion. Next up, we have the moonveil.gg airdrop. Come over here, you sign up, you continue. Over here you says you see connect your wallet. If you're eligible, good. If not, you will be just this red like me. And this is the protocol. If you have checked the season 1 airdrop eligibility, now we then have the basis OS mindshare mining season 1. You can connect your Twitter, connect the wallet, and check the leaderboard. There is a reward already, as we see here, with the different leaderboards and the rewards that people receive. So let me know if you are eligible for it, but I never participate in this one personally. Next up, we have the redacted airdrop right here. Connect your wallet, claim the airdrop, and you are good to go. And these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 airdrops that we have seen. And also one important one is that over on the Solana ecosystem, Pragmatic airdrop site is live, but there is no official not official claiming nor airdrop checker. So the foundation account is from the Pragmatic FDM over here, but make sure to wait until they post about it and we are going to be looking at it. But the Pragmatic Foundation, Pragmatic itself, is going to have an airdrop as well. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to come and trade with me over on ZoomX. I did open some new position. Let me know what you think. This, by the way, is a demo account with demo funds, no real money. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.